il y a de l'émotion. Hein,
There's a great deal of emotion there.
Pour revoir tout ça.
Watching all this,
ça brasse beaucoup de choses, disons, de plusieurs
it makes you remember
niveaux,
many things at different levels. There are different levels, different times, and I think it's very important
de prêter la place à cette dimension-là.
To take account of all these different dimensions. All this deeply affected the lives of many people. I'd like to turn to Costa Gavras. Today, when you see this again, what does it represent for you?
Perception, quel ressenti tu as
What
de ce qui s'est joué à ce moment-là?
Do you have of what happened at the time?
Profondément émouvant parce que je
It's
vois
deeply moving.
les collaborateurs, les gens
I
avec qui je travaillais,
see
que
the people
ils sont
who
tous
I
disparus.
worked with,
Première chose
and
que je dois dire.
they've all disappeared now.
C'est vrai que ça a été
They're all gone.
une aventure
This was
très forte pour
a
nous tous.
very
Mais en même
powerful
temps, c'était une
adventure for
inquiétude
all of
permanente.
us, and a permanent
Comme
concern at the same time.
Semprún le dit,
As
à un moment donné,
Semprún says,
on était sur des charbons ardents parce qu'il
we
y avait
were
des ennemis autour.
on burning coals
Puis,
because there
effectivement, à un
were
moment donné, que
enemies
les
all
acteurs
around.
refusaient et que des proches, avant de voir le film, étaient contre. Donc,
Many
c'était
people
très
were
émouvant et en
against the
plus,
film,
c'était une
including
façon
very
de
close
nous
friends.
réunir davantage, de
So
nous donner
we
raison
needed to
davantage.
come
Jusqu'au jour
closer
qui a été
together
aussi un coup
to
formidable. Chris
feel
Marker,
we were in the right.
certains on en parle, vous le connaissez sûrement,
You
grand
may
bonhomme du cinéma.
be familiar
grand
with Chris
philosophe
Marker, a
de la
great
vie et du
philosopher
Il est venu à
of
mon bureau, il
life
m'a dit,
and the
écoute,
cinema. He
qu'est-ce que
said
je
to
fais dans
me,
ton film?
well, what am I doing in your
Je lui
film?
dis pour plaisanter, j'ai dit, tu
I
fais un
said,
des références,
"You're
c'est
joking.
des tortionnaires.
You
Il me dit, c'est
were
un peu
quite a
trop.
reference.
Je vais faire le photographe de plateau.
I'll just
Et
be
il est
the
venu faire le
photographer.
photographe de plateau, il a
And
filmé,
he
il a fait
acted
avec sa
as
sensibilité,
photographer.
avec, voilà.
He was
Voilà,
a very
tout ça,
sensitive person.
C'est vrai, aujourd'hui, pour beaucoup d'entre vous,
For
parler du
many of
communisme,
you
c'est de
today,
la vieille histoire. De
the
la très vieille
communism
histoire.
is
Mais qu'est-ce qu'ils avaient, c'est
ancient
je connais
history.
pas. Pour s'engager comme ça, mais ils le disent.
You may think,
Landon
well,
le
why
dit très
did
bien,
these
il est resté
people
d'ailleurs
become so
communiste jusqu'à la fin.
engaged?
Semprún
But he
le dit
says
aussi,
this
on
at the
croyait
end.
à un nouveau monde.
You believe
Et
in
on
a
croyait
new
à un nouveau
world,
monde, je
and
ne
we
veux pas
believed in a
m'étendre
new
beaucoup, mais
world.
je veux dire, moi personnellement, comme je le sentais.
That's
Pendant toute
personally how I
l'occupation,
viewed things.
j'ai entendu
During
mon
the
père
entire
disant,
occupation, I
pendant
heard my father say,
plusieurs mois,
for several
il disait,
months,
Stalingrad tient.
Stalingrad,
tient. C'est-à-dire les Allemands étaient bloqués à Stalingrad jusqu'au jour
hold
où
on.
il est venu heureux en disant
and
Stalingrad,
then one
les
day
Allemands ont
he
perdu.
was happy,
Et c'est
and
vrai
he
que
said the
Stalingrad,
Germans
c'était
have
le
lost.
début de la fin
And Stalingrad was the beginning
l'aventure
of the
hitlérienne.
end of
Donc,
the
c'était
adventure
derrière
of
ça, il y avait
Hitler.
Staline.
So
Et
behind
que
Stalingrad, there was
ce que Staline
Stalin.
disait,
And what
eh ben,
Stalin
c'était
said,
Dieu. Voilà.
well, it
Et
was
c'est
the gospel
après,
truth.
quand je suis venu en France, très
And then
jeune,
when I came to France, I was
j'ai
very
appris
young.
qu'il y avait une façon de
I
regarder
learned that
différemment.
there was a different way of looking
Eh
at
bien, j'ai regardé
things.
différemment et j'ai jamais été au Parti communiste.
I was
J'ai
never a
regardé
member of the Communist Party.
avec une certaine distance.
I
Même
tried
une
to
distance certaine.
viewed
Voilà, c'est comme ça
things
que j'ai
from
habitué
a
avec ce film.
distance.
Et je pense que c'est un film
I believe that this
qui
is
était très important
a film which was
psychologiquement,
very
même physiquement, je
important
dirais, dans
psychologically
vie.
and even
Voilà.
physically.
Et peut-être, Edoui, pour enchaîner
And
sur ce que
Edwig,
vient de dire
to
Costa,
link
quand,
back to what
tu
Costa was
conçois,
saying.
vous concevez avec Yann Kergoat, mais tu joues un rôle,
You
j'ai tendance à supposer un peu aussi
also play a
de
part in
stratégie
this.
politique sur
It was
qu'est-ce qu'on fait de
part
ça
of a political
pour
strategy.
aujourd'hui.
What
C'est
should we
ce que
do
nous allons
this
voir,
in
c'est un
terms
film
of
pour
today?
aujourd'hui, c'est pas un film de 1970.
It's a film for today.
C'est à propos d'un film de 1970, comment on construit
About a film
justement
made
des
in the
ponts
70s.
par-dessus ces
How do
écarts
you
considérables
build a
qui ne
bridge
sont pas que temporels, mais qui
given
sont des
these
représentations du
great
monde qui
gaps
ont
in time and in
énormément
representations of the
En fait,
world?
c'est toute l'idée de la
When in
série
fact,
dont
you have
dont
this,
cet
that's
épisode est
the idea
l'un d'eux,
behind this
sur
series, and this is
les
just one of the
épisodes, avec une première
episodes.
saison qui
There are several
s'appelle
episodes.
L'Espoir,
The
quand
first
le
season
vent
is called Hope,
poussait,
when the
dans le-
winds
voilà, dans
were blowing
l'atmosphère des années 60-70.
in a different direction in the
Le deuxième volet
60s.
s'appelle
The
La
second
résistance quand les
episode
vents sont
is
un peu contraires.
resistance when the
L'idée,
winds
et
blow
Costa n'aurait
in
pas
the
accepté
opposite
qu'on fasse
direction.
une hagiographie.
Costa wouldn't have accepted that we do a hagiography. That's what he said right away.
Ma vie,
He
etc.
said, I don't want something
L'idée,
about my work,
pour
my
moi, c'est comme
life.
ça que Je suis un spectateur, je suis pas
I'm a
critique,
spectator, I'm not
C'est
a
comme ça que je
critic.
ressens, et ce que
That's
j'ai
how
écrit
I
sur le cinéma de Costa,
write
à la
about
fois pour les deux
Costa's
coffrets
cinema.
d'Arte, puis après un petit livre qui s'appelle Tous les films sont
There's
politiques.
another book
Pour
I
moi,
wrote, which is
c'est vraiment
called All
le
Films Are
raconteur de
Political.
notre siècle, Costa.
For me, Costa
Son
is
cinéma,
the storyteller of
il y a
our
quelque chose derrière le
epoch,
côté
our century.
vrai, documenté, et ce sont des
Things are
films
very
d'enquête,
true,
très
well
souvent.
documented.
Il y a
His
un matériau
films
très
are
concret.
based on very
Il y a quelque chose
down-to-earth
qui
material.
transcende le temps. Et en
But there's
choisissant
something
de
that
projeter
transcends
cet épisode,
time.
bien sûr que pour les
In
jeunes générations, on raconte
This episode,
une
of
histoire
course,
qui
for
est
the young
en grande part
generation,
oubliée,
we tell a story that
qui pour nous parle
many
et
people
nous
may
émeut
have
même,
forgotten, but which
y
still
compris
speaks
dans
to us
la
and moves
dimension
us
du
very
chagrin
much,
politique qu'elle transmet.
including
Mais pour
in
moi, et
terms of
pensons à
the
notre époque, il y
political
a dans ce propos, et je pourrais le dire,
political
plein de films de Costa.
disappointments.
Je pourrais parler
I
de
could
Eden Alouet
speak
sur
of
l'immigration, je pourrais parler de
Eden,
de
I could
les
speak
films
of
sur les questions économiques,
films
évidemment,
on
sur les
economic
régimes
questions
dictatoriaux,
and
évidemment,
dictatorial
enfin, on pourrait
regimes, of course.
multiplier,
I
tout ça.
could talk about
Quand
many,
vous sortez
many
de ce qu'on a
things.
essayé de dire là
Eden
avec,
is West,
avec
for
Yannick,
example, just being an
au
example.
fond, c'est ce que George Orwell appelait
George
dans sa préface
Orwell,
à La ferme
in
des
his
animaux,
preface
quand il
to
médite
Animal
l'esprit
Farm,
gramophone.
he
Ne pas penser contre le parti, c'est-à-dire ne pas penser contre sa
said
communauté, contre les siens.
it's hard to think
pas penser
something
contre
different
soi-même.
from your community,
Et vous voyez
something
bien que ça
different
parle
of your
aujourd'hui.
from your
Pour moi, c'est
family.
pas du passé.
And that speaks to
C'est
us
du passé
today. It's
présent
not the
qui est
past,
raconté
it's
là.
the past
Bien sûr
and the
que le
present at the same
stalinisme, les
time.
procès staliniens ne sont pas là, mais
Stalinism,
combien y
the
a-t-il dans
trials
notre
are
époque
there, but there
de
are other
contextes où
forms
on
of
se dit, mais non,
trials
on ne tient pas
today.
On
And
peut pas. Certains pensent à l'Ukraine, mais ne veulent pas
some
penser à la
people
Palestine.
think about Ukraine but don't want to think about
Je
Palestine.
pense que le
Or
message humaniste de Costa,
conversely,
c'est qu'il faut tenir tous
I
les
think
bouts.
Costa's
C'est ça que son
humanist
cinéma, de
message
manière
is that you have to take account of everything.
Pour moi, très sensible.
And for me,
Non.
his films really
Avec,
speak to us.
Une dimension qui, enfin, comme c'est à voir, en plus qu'on entend, donc forcément.
It's wonderful
te
to see the
rattache à
images
toi,
in addition
très
to seeing what
littéralement,
people have
si
to
je puis
say.
dire, qui concerne quand il y a le montage des scènes du procès
When
filmées
you do the
à Prague
editing
et des
of
scènes
the
de
scenes
procès
of the trial
reconstituées,
filmed in Prague and the
pour le
reconstitution
film
for the
L'aveu, sur où est
film,
la
the
fiction.
confession,
Là-dedans,
where does fiction
nous
lie
avons
there?
vu pour beaucoup d'entre nous festivaliers ici
For
un
many
film ce
of
matin,
we festival goers, we saw a film this morning which is a bit superficial. It's called The Apprentice, and it talks about Trump.
Question de la fiction en politique.
You have this issue about fiction in politics and manipulation. That's part of the present, of course.
Avant les réseaux sociaux, des choses comme
dates
ça, mais dans des formes d'écho.
Mais on est
Back
au cœur d'une
well
époque où la
before
vérité
the
est en péril.
social
Qui le connaît
networks.
le sait. Aujourd'hui, l'enjeu, c'est pas simplement des
What's at
informations.
stake now is not just information or
C'est que l'opinion,
disinformation.
l'idéologie, la croyance,
Opinions,
le préjugé,
ideology,
de manière
beliefs,
décuplée avec,
prejudices,
l'instrumentalisation des réseaux sociaux
preconceived
tue la vérité.
ideas, social
C'est la
media,
vérité qui est en
they
péril aujourd'hui.
kill
Pas
the
seulement le
truth.
fait d'y voir clair et d'avoir
It's
des
not just a
faits.
question of
Pour ça,
getting
quand-
concrete
En voyant
facts.
ça, moi, je pense que
But when I look at
c'est
something
une
like this,
histoire à
I
la
get
fois
the
très
impression
datée
that
et en
it's
même temps,
a fairly
d'où,
old
y compris la
story,
passion ou l'émotion que j'y
but
mets. Bon, chacun sait un peu
given the
mon histoire
emotion
personnelle et on a
and
choisi un
my
épisode
passion.
qui évoque quelque part
Of
des
course, we
convictions
chose an episode that
qui m'ont fait ce
harks
que je
back
suis, au-delà du
to
métier.
my personal
Mais je pense
opinions
que
and
dans
which have made me
ce moment
who
de
I
la
am.
très minoritaire de la critique du stalinisme,
There
c'est un moment de
was a
vérité qui
minority
transcende
that criticized
c'est un moment
Stalinism,
moral,
but that
c'est un moment
transcends
d'éthique,
the time.
c'est un
It's a
moment
question
de
of
principe.
ethics. It's a question of
C'est
principles.
vraiment ça que
And that
dit, je crois,
is
cet épisode
what this
de la
episode
série.
really says in the series.
Yann, Gargotte, peut-être pour approcher un peu comment on arrive à ce qu'on vient de voir, il faut
In terms of
construire,
what
il
we've
faut
just
s'appuyer
seen,
sur ce qui est
of
arrivé.
course,
C'est
you
ce qu'a
need
fait
to
Costa
draw on
Gavras,
the facts, what
la
happened.
dimension. Alors, je ne sais pas la part prise à l'écriture,
I don't
mais en tout cas la part prise à
how
la
much you were involved in the
composition des
writing,
images et la
but there's the
construction
composition of
visuelle
the
qui
images,
permet
the visual
d'arriver à ça.
construction as
Ça
well, which
s'appuie
have
sur quelles
made the film
ressources
into what it is.
et parmi lesquelles il faut
What
forcément faire des
resources
choix.
was all this
Donc,
based on? And of
comment-
course, you had to make choices in addition.
Déjà, peut-être qu'il faut que j'explique un tout petit peu.
Well, maybe I
pourquoi,
should
parce que,
explain my stance.
certainement, beaucoup d'entre vous ne le sachent pas, mais
You may
moi,
not
je suis
know,
le monteur
But I am the editor of Costa's films, and I have been for about 10 years. I edited 5 So
et Costa, et je pense que c'est à
we
ce
were
type,
very,
Michel,
very close.
la productrice.
Likewise, Michel, the producer, I was asked whether I'd like to work on this series. How did things work in terms of the writing? First of all, we had the book, which provides the general framework, the political thoughts, the historical thinking about Costa-Gavras' films, the link with contemporary history. So the idea was to bring this all together. A documentary entails a great deal of editing with the archival material, the images we find. I just laid the basis, something quite simple. I said, we'll have just one living witness with Costa. I don't want other people to come and talk about his cinema. I wanted him to be the only one who spoke. I didn't want him, when he speaks, to speak only about the cinematographic dimension of things. I didn't want him to be just the director, but also the witness. I wanted him to be able to alternate thoughts about how the film was made, the work entailed, all the cinematographic work, but also the person who tells the history. So it was a very simple setup. One-third excerpts from film, one-third archival material, one-third commentary with testimonials, the images, the historic events.
So
when you think about a series, you create a sort of a structure that you can use then to put together the other episodes, and we have several of them now. And everything is based on the same principle. You saw a decor behind Costa's interview. He's highlighted in the first episode, then we find him again in the second episode. It's quite an amazing place. I'm referring to the reserves of the film library, where everything is stored since the origins of the cinema. It's an amazing place. And knowing Costa's career and his role as the president of the film library, we thought this would be a good place for holding the interview. For me, what was important in making the film was, of course, to draw on Edwid's text. It's a very good text. It gives a certain viewpoint on history. It contains a very powerful way of looking at things. He sides with a given interpretation of events. He has a very nuanced understanding of Costa's films. So with all of this background, we were able to make the film. We drew on the archives. Chris Marker was involved, and that was wonderful. I was able to delve into the archives of the Greek trial through a site that belongs to the Czech ministry. We managed to get the originals. So, in other words, it was a whole series of things that we were able to put together in a fairly craftsman-style way.
Qu'est-ce qui vient en premier ou qu'est-ce qui accompagne l'autre?
So, what comes first? Well, as I said, we had the overall framework that enabled us to think through each episode. Of course, we were then able to develop each episode. How did we go about things? I delved into the archives. I put together a first version of the film, leaving spaces for Costa's interview. That's an experience I acquired thanks to a couple of films. I haven't been involved in all that number of documentaries, but when you reach the stage of the editing, sometimes you suddenly find that there's a question missing, the question that was absolutely necessary to go from one sequence to the next. So I hold the interview afterwards. In fact, they made me talk far too much.
je le montre à Edwy.
I showed that to Edwy, and then we talked about the narrative. Then I asked Costa to speak with a certain number of topics. I don't tell him what he needs to say, but I told him we're going to talk about this and that. And in the space of an hour, well, we could address quite a lot of issues. That's exactly what I wanted to say. First of all, we worked together on a sort of a Bible, a sort of a framework, which would encompass the 10 episodes. It's called the Century of Costa Gavras. That's the general idea. We're going to revisit just about everything. He touched on everything in his cinema. There was a crisis in the Middle East. Anaka is the only great international film, American production, which talks about Israel and Palestine. Dates from '83. Can you remind me of the name of the actress in Haneke?
A été un peu pénalisé de l'avoir joué. Et je prends cet exemple-là.
And I'm taking this example. I talked about Eden is West, which ends in a dreamlike way, and which talks about the importance of migration. It's a film that's already quite old now. I said this. The way I came across Costa's films, well, it's a generational thing. In the 60s in Algiers, you had the film library run by a wonderful Swiss gentleman. When Zed was shot, you have the scene of the man, the seller on a bicycle. And I have this idea, and it's clearly stated at the beginning of the interview. He said that for him, politics was not sectarian. Politics belonged to everybody. And his cinema is not militant or dogmatic. On the contrary, it addresses everybody. In the episode in Zed, the character says, well, you're wrong. It's sinister. You have the whole list of dictatorships. And at the end of Zed, it was the story of those who lost, but in fact, we were all pumped up. And for me, this kind of cinema is a form of entertainment. It addresses the public at large. It speaks to everybody. It's not a form of demagoguery, while addressing key issues.
Le 20e film qui est en train de monter après le tournage Costa Gavras aborde une question assez centrale, qui est la mort, le droit de mourir,
the right to die in a dignified manner. There isn't a single issue, collaboration, for example, dictatorship, capitalism, the European crisis. There isn't a single issue which Costa hasn't addressed in his films. I might refer to a book on the cinema as the imagination of the people. I say this in my little book. That's what Walter Benjamin called the storyteller. You need to have a story and a storyteller. Over and beyond the actual person, I love his work because it really instills a form of optimism and hope in us.
Moi, je ne devais pas être là pour écouter tout ça.
I shouldn't really be here listening to all this.
On parle beaucoup de cinéma de Costa Gavras. Non, je n'ai pas de plan de cinéma.
I don't have a plan when I make a film. I base myself on emotions. There's no aesthetic continuity. There are passions above all.
Esthétique, mais je ne la cultive pas.
I don't cultivate the aesthetics. What I do is to make films about things that deeply move me. Sometimes I succeed, sometimes I don't. That's what my films are all about. I don't think you can view my films as a sort of the Costa Gavras cinema or Godard cinema. I view matters in a totally different light. I react with my emotions, with my gut. Sometimes you just want to stand up and shout things, and films enable me to do this. I'm very lucky also because I had lots of huge successes at the beginning, and that enabled me subsequently to do what I really wanted later on. We share the emotion. That's the key. When it comes to work with Yannick, you have the framework granted. What's wonderful is that we speak the same language. Yannick is the director, and then things just flow naturally. He's a wonderful editor, and as you know, the cinema is bound up with the art of editing. It's editing that creates the tone, the pace, and we adjusted things without any difficulty. Yannick has done some wonderful films.
J'aurais voulu peut-être, si ça te convient, Costa, qu'on dise un peu plus sur quelqu'un qu'on a vu à l'écran.
I think we should say more about someone who we saw on the screen, and we've just talked about his name.
Important, qui est Georges Samprun.
Jorge Samprun.
What
part does he play here?
À l'époque, mais
at the time.
Pas seulement à ce moment-là,
but not just at the time. He was deeply involved in this political line of thought and its translation in the cinema. And you were involved with him and with other filmmakers as well.
Un endroit qui a un côté un peu mythologique.
There's a wonderful place called Auteuil, where you had Yves Montand and Simone Signoret. It's outside Paris. It was a hub for political thinking and reflection. And that perhaps enabled this adventure called The Confession. Jorge Samprun. Well, we met in this country home during weekends. We didn't talk only about politics, we had lots of fun. And Jorge, at the beginning, was fairly mysterious and fairly silent. Whenever he spoke, he gave me a real shock because he was so clear in what he said. He so perfectly analyzed situations. Everyone gave their views, and when there were 5 or 6 people, the opinions were often totally misguided. But Jorge was always just right on the dot. He was perfect in his evaluations. One day, Simone Signoret brought me this book, The Last Trip, or Voyage, and I read it. And he explained that he was an important person in the Spanish Communist Party. He left the party, and through this book, one learns he was also in a concentration camp. We became quite close friends. I explained the story of my film, and I said, do you want to be part of it? And he said, no, we'll have to find something else. And when I read the story Z, I suggested the story to him, and we started to work together very quickly, I must admit, because we had to work fast. It was difficult to find the money subsequently. When I talked to him about The Confession, I'd read the book, which he was familiar with. Amongst the accused, there was one of the men who was executed, of course, but who he'd met in a concentration camp. And he said, well, I knew him. I knew what he was talking about. And what he said against him was completely wrong. But he belonged to the Spanish Communist Party at the time, and he didn't dare say that. He didn't dare say this man is innocent. It's not possible. When I talked to him about the book,
que j'ai lu rapidement
which I
après,
read very quickly.
après avoir parlé du livre, je parle dans le film, et il m'a dit, mais on ne peut pas tout raconter ça.
Oh, we can't say everything in a film. You need a film that lasts several hours. And I said, no. We can say that there's a political system which is organizing torture in order to justify the fact that the political system doesn't work.
Les systèmes de torture.
We could talk about torture, and it's true, the communist system doesn't work.
Il fallait accuser certaines personnes, notamment des Juifs.
It had to accuse people, particularly the Jews, and say it's not working because of them. So we limited the book to just those two things. So otherwise the film would have been impossible. So we limited the film to these 2 points. We got to work very quickly. We were in a country house. And we worked hard on it together for about a month or a month and a half. We produced a sort of a draft script.
London, il est présent dans
London
votre travail d'écriture
was
sur
present
le film,
when you wrote the film?
Pas du tout. Je dis à
No.
London, j'ai rencontré London.
I said to London,
J'ai eu même une
met
grande
him.
surprise en arrivant chez London. La jeune femme qui m'a ouvert
The young woman
la porte,
who
c'était
opened the door
Françoise
when I
London,
went
qui
to
était
see London was Françoise London, who was an assistant to a teacher at the school. And I realized then suddenly who her father was. I explained how I wanted to go about the work, and he agreed. He read the script. He said, that's very interesting, but I'd like to see the film before I say, yes, I agree. And that's how things worked.
Non, mais je pensais, il y a un passage là où quand London, par rapport à,
There's a passage
ici, à ce lieu,
when
ici au festival, sur la force
London
du cinéma,
talks about the power of the
cette séquence
cinema.
sur le livre
You
et le
have this
film,
sequence on
une
the book and the
séquence sur,
film. It's a sequence
l'instrumentalisation politique,
on the political
parce que on n'a pas mis
use.
ça dans le film, mais l'Union soviétique fait un
We
communiqué
didn't say
sans
this in the
avoir
film,
vu
but
le
the
film,
Soviet Union issued
ça,
a communique without having seen the film.
Le livre,
But you have this
comme il est
idea,
communiste,
the
et que
book,
quand même on
as
bouge
he's a communist and
depuis la fin du printemps de Prague, le
as
livre est communiste,
of
mais
the
le
end
film
of
n'est pas
the
communiste. Et en fait, c'est
Prague
la puissance du
Spring,
cinéma.
things
C'est un
moved
hommage à la
on.
puissance du cinéma.
In fact, it's a tribute to the strength of the
C'est là
cinema.
que l'imaginaire se passe. Un livre, on peut le mettre de
A
côté.
book, you
on peut un
can put
jour
it to one
l'interdire,
side,
et
it
là,
can
il y a
be
autre chose
banned,
qui se
but
passe.
with a film, something else happens when you have the images.
Comment elle le porte.
Images really infuse the imagination.
Différent de l'outil cinéma et de l'outil littérature ou écriture plus généralement en Union soviétique.
Of course, in the Soviet Union, during this period, it was very difficult to write certain things. There are certain excerpts that you see in the film. Tribute is paid to someone who survived the purges. And I think the group,
les groupes Medvedkin,
which was called the Medvedkin Group,
une société de production
they
et de
put
distribution
together a production and distribution company. It was called Slot to begin with, and then it changed its name. The idea was to distribute a film that dated from the 30s, Happiness, which was quite improbable at the height of Stalinism in the middle of the 30s.
Fait partie d'une certaine manière de ce rapport compliqué aux puissances du cinéma.
That is part of this complicated relationship with the power of the cinema.
De ce point de vue-là, mais ce moment du film que nous venons de voir, auquel tu fais référence, well,
there he compares
il met en regard les pouvoir de l'écriture et les
the
pouvoirs
power
du cinéma,
of writing and the power of the cinema, but he also refers to the press, the media.
La question est plutôt dans
the
quelle mesure, y compris dans les autres épisodes,
including in the other episode,
du travail de Costa,
did the media welcome Costa's work?
Parce que ça occupe la scène médiatique.
And you have this link between the media and politics.
La critique des médias, c'est dans l'épisode Mad City.
In the Mad City episode to come, you have the criticism leveled at the media.
Il l'a fait aussi. Les médias de masse, hein,
the mass media, of course.
Mad City.
It's Mad City with Travolta.
Je recommande.
I highly recommend that.
Là, on voit que c'est à partir de ce qui s'imprime dans les journaux
that it's based on what you read in the newspapers.
Que ça rend partageable, surtout pour les gens qui n'ont pas vécu cette époque.
For people who didn't actually live at those times, that's what
le cocotier
shows that
avec les mutations successives.
Changes are taking place. There are gradual changes in the communist press, and it complicated the life of a lot of people, what was happening at the time. That's why I gave the answer I did. Would it be as easy as that with the mass media now, which just try to create clashes, divide countries?
Mad City, pardon.
Like Mad Max or Mad Tiki, rather.
Et voilà, c'est comment dire, c'est.
How can I put this?
Une femme qui précède ce que nous avons sous les yeux, pour moi. Voilà.
You can see that the media play a really important part.
Est-ce qu'on peut dire quelque chose? Est-ce qu'il y a une réflexion?
Talk perhaps.
Pose la question à Yannick en particulier.
I'm putting the question to Yannick, but to all three of you, in fact.
Compréhension d'accès à ce film.
Is it hard to understand the film?
De circulation et de renvoi.
Is it
en fait,
difficult to get it to travel around the world? Because the story it tells is an international one, based on a situation that took place in France.
Ça sert aujourd'hui à des publics
Is the film useful in terms of teaching the younger audiences about this time in history? Of course, it's very important. We don't just have the French context. Even if there were a lot of refugees from Eastern Europe who came to live in France, Costas made the film based on a translated version. What we try to convey is this story vis-à-vis the younger generation. Some people experienced this time. We're addressing people who weren't yet born as well. Costa's film, London's book, they talk about Stalinism, communism. Electorally speaking, the Communist Party doesn't represent hardly anything at all in France now. It gradually disappears, it's being erased from people's memories. We're trying to tell this story for the younger generation so they can understand and take an interest in what happened through the series and not just this specific film. The idea is to enable people through the films to understand this time in history, to give them different stances and perspectives on historical events. Obviously, many of the references may not be readily understandable for young people because these things aren't taught at school anymore. The idea is to give a very honest picture of what happened without oversimplifying things, without being biased in any way. For us, that was really the whole point, to provide to give, to show the history at the time through a film while talking about the cinema at the same time. We talk about the weight of these events for society. We talked about a number of events through the film, which are very weighty events, very important in terms of shaping society and thought. In this series, obviously, we wanted to tell the entire tale. We felt it was a worthwhile exercise.
La dimension alors des choix de cinéastes, puisque le film est quand même très construit sur
choices as filmmakers.
Les choix qui
the film clearly entailed certain decisions. Of course, you had to be so courageous at the time. At the time, it was like an earthquake. As Costa said, lots of actors refused to act in the film, and people said, well, have to be careful during screenings. That's very deep. You have certain choices in the screenplay as well. You might care to talk about that. And there's one choice which is very explicit in the film, the chronology, the fact that you shoot in historical order. There were consequences in terms of production and in terms of the actual organization of the film. You might like to say a bit more about how you thought all this through.
L'idée centrale, c'était d'expliquer
was to explain that the character gradually shrank physically and mentally. And this is something you had to see and sense in the film. To achieve that, we had to begin at the beginning of the story. It's very, very complicated. Sometimes you shoot the end, then you shoot the middle, or you go back to the beginning for financial reasons and other reasons, just in terms of making things easier when shooting the film. Everyone agreed that we follow the logical timeline, and then suddenly one day the editor said, okay, that's enough, don't go any further. What was amusing was that over lunch, the teams, the crews came with just a tiny bit to eat. They were working very, very hard. We had lots of fun together. And there was something more.
Parce qu'on a tourné le film à côté de Paris, à Toulcoing.
Just outside Paris.
On était à Lille et on avait le même étage à l'hôtel.
We were
avait une porte communicante. J'entendais crier
on the same floor in the hotel, and I heard him shout at night. And he said, "Were you okay?" But he had terrible nightmares. He had awful nightmares, and he would suddenly jump out of bed, haggard, and he had lived through this situation in such a real way. He really lived the situation during the whole 10 weeks of shooting. And without Semprún, I don't know whether we could have made the film. There were lots of great actors in France. I didn't know who to contact for the work. Montan was incredible, and Signoret as well, because there are things that you can really see that they're on the same wavelength, both in their lives and on the screen. At the beginning, Simon said, I don't want to do this film. I would never have been able to think that the guy was a real traitor, so find somebody else. And then after a while, he saw that we were increasingly close, all three of us, and he said, I don't want to leave you alone, otherwise people will say, I don't believe in you. They'll think what you're doing is not right. So we had this sort of common intelligence, and then he joined us and did a wonderful job. So the film is in chronological order. Z is a sort of a consensus. Z is after 68, the dictatorship of the colonels in Greece, the Franco dictatorship, Salazar in Portugal, the colonial era in Africa, the war in Vietnam. It depicts quite a consensus. But here, people really go out on a limb. It's not just the Communist Party. Put things back in the situation at the time. There was an extreme left that adored Stalin, just like people adored Mao.
Sur les parcours, l'origine ne protège de rien. Et ça, je trouve, c'est très fort aussi.
That's a powerful moment. It's a powerful component in the film.
Il n'y a pas un label qui fait que tu es du côté du bien, quoi. C'est une bataille toujours.
You're not
C'est une
either
bataille contre toi.
right
Ça se joue au
or
présent.
wrong.
Et de ce point de vue,
There are all
ce qui se joue
sorts
entre
of
Arthur et
degrees
Lise,
between the two.
qui est bon, pas à pesantir et très douloureux quand même. Hein. C'est
They're
une
very,
histoire.
very painful
En fait,
moments.
la vérité, tu dis que la vérité, c'est qu'il
The truth of the
il
matter
est sauvé puisque
is
le
that
procureur
he is
demande la peine
saved
de mort
because the
pour tout le monde,
prosecutor is
pour tout le
asking
monde.
for the
En
death
fait,
penalty
c'est
for
parce qu'il est le
everybody.
beau-frère de Raymond
Because
Guillot.
he's Raymond
Raymond
Guillot's
Guillot,
brother-in-law.
vous pouvez aller consulter,
He's
c'est une
saved.
figure,
Raymond Guillot
j'allais dire communitarienne,
is a very well-known
de
person.
l'international
At
communiste.
the time of the
Voilà,
Communist
c'était aussi des
International,
aventures personnelles, un type très brillant, très
he was
courageux,
a very
par ailleurs,
brilliant,
qui faisait des
courageous
allers-retours entre
person
Moscou et la
who
France pendant
traveled
l'occupation.
between Moscow and
Et
France
donc,
during
il y
the
avait du poids,
occupation
il y avait du
often, and
poids,
he had a lot of
autour
political
des
weight,
soviétiques, pas
even
du poids
vis-à-vis
du
the
communiste
Soviets,
français,
not
du
just
poids
vis-à-vis the
autour
French
des
Communist
soviétiques.
Party.
C'est comme ça, ils se retrouvent.
And
Donc,
that's-
je sais pas pourquoi ils en rajoutent deux autres, mais
I don't know why they
voilà,
had two more,
eux
but
ne sont pas
that's why
pas exécutés.
they
Normalement,
weren't
ils devaient passer à la casserole.
executed.
Parce que
Otherwise,
c'était
they were going
aussi
to
liquidé,
get a
voilà,
death
sur
penalty.
la rationalité de ces procès
These
d'inquisition,
trials
en effet,
were
c'est en
a
effet
form of
caché,
inquisition.
c'était ça, les purges en Union soviétique.
The purges in the
Le
Soviet
système ne marchait
Union
pas.
were designed to hide the fact
Ça
that
ne
the
marchait
system
pas.
just didn't
Donc,
work.
il faut dire au peuple,
So
c'est
they
pas-
had to be
c'est
able
pas-
to
c'est
say to
pas
the
nous qui
people,
nous
well,
trompons.
it's not
Il y a des
we
saboteurs.
who were
Il y a
wrong,
des
there are
saboteurs.
saboteurs.
C'est comme ça qu'on extermine ses propres camarades.
That's
voilà.
why
Et
he
évidemment,
exterminated
là-dessus,
his own
se glisse des
comrades.
logiques à ce moment-là,
You have
identitaires,
all this
des logiques de
ideology,
culture, des logiques de pureté, des logiques
this
qu'on
idea of
retrouve,
purity.
comme on le voit,
As you can
l'antisémitisme,
see,
le
there's
cosmopolitisme, les gens sans
anti-Semitism,
patrie ni frontières, contre
cosmopolitanism,
l'histoire même de ces militants. Pour ça, c'est
and
une
things
histoire
turn
de
against
tragédie
the
grecque,
militants themselves. It's kind of
qui est
Greek
vraiment
tragedy.
éternelle. Elle n'est pas
This Greek tragedy
elle n'est pas
is
datée,
eternal.
hein.
It's
Je
not
pense qu'on
dated.
on
You can't
revisitera
relegate
ça,
it to the
dans des siècles,
past.
comme
I think we'll
l'histoire
revisit it in the centuries to come, even if we think it's totally impossible. It can happen.
Son mari, puis
One
après,
can
dit, bah, finalement,
denounce
je t'ai
one's
cru.
own
Bon, on la
husband.
croit pas trop, hein, quand on dit ça,
Of
ça
course,
suffit pas à nous convaincre.
she's
D'ailleurs,
not very
on s'est tout de suite
convincing.
donné un coup de coude à ce moment-là, il y a un détail qui pour nous dans l'interview entre
In
Arthur
the
et Lise,
interview between
dit,
Arthur
au bout de
and Lise,
26 mois,
it said after 26 months, 27 months,
27, lui, il
Yes,
fait la
27
bonne
months.
comptabilité. Et 27.
he kept account of things. Yes, 27
Il y a une
months.
chose que je souhaite dire aussi, c'est que
There's another
mon
thing I'd
temps
like to
vivait un
say.
drame, un double drame,
Montan
parce que son
was
frère était
living
un des
a
dirigeants du
twofold
Parti
drama
communiste.
because one of his brothers was a leader of the
Il avait
Communist
une
Party.
place très importante.
He had a
sur
very
la-
important
Et il a
position
vécu
in the
ça,
Communist Party.
Son frère l'a
And
pratiquement quitté complètement.
his-
Il vivait assez proche. Il l'a
They
quitté complètement pendant des
split up
années. Ils se
completely
sont
for a couple
remis
of years,
ensemble
and
quand
then
son
they got
frère
back together
était mourant
when the little brother
à
was
l'hôpital.
dying
Ils
in
sont venus
hospital.
s'engueuler, ils sont embrassés.
They
et
embraced each
mais
other.
il a vécu ça parallèlement pendant qu'il faisait
But,
le film.
uh,
Il pensait à son frère.
When
sûrement.
we were
Il l'a
making the
jamais
film,
dit,
he probably
mais
thought about his
ce lien
brother.
était
He didn't
présent
actually say it.
entre lui
But there was a
l'histoire.
complete split between the brother and himself.
Peut-être Yannick, sur cette dimension
Yannick, in terms of this
du cinéma, de comment le
dimension of
cinéma
the cinema,
peut
how the
beaucoup
cinema
de choses,
can
et comment on essaye de le mettre en évidence
show
à
so
l'intérieur
many
d'un
things
projet comme
and
ça, peut-être pas
highlight
seulement cet
so
épisode-là, mais
many
plus généralement
points.
l'ensemble de ce que vous faites ensemble. Et toi?
Ben, oui, je pense qu'on a tous un peu quand on travaille dans le cinéma, et
think
moi je
that
travaille dans le cinéma depuis
when
30 ans comme
You work in
monteur
the cinema. I've been working in the
des
cinema for over
réalisatrices
30
et des
years
réalisateurs
as
différents, pas
a
simplement
writer for
sur les
various
films de Costa. On a tous
directors,
le sentiment
including
que
Costa's work.
le cinéma a son
You have the
rôle à jouer, quoi,
impression
qui
that
peut
the cinema has
changer
a
le monde,
part
quoi,
to
d'une
play.
certaine manière.
It can change the
Je
world
pense
in
qu'au
a
bout de 30
manner.
ans,
I think
moi,
that
j'ai
after
l'impression
30
que
years
c'est un
in
peu
this profession, I have
une
the
illusion.
impression that that's a
Je
bit
vais
of
pas
an
être
illusion.
désespéré,
I don't want
mais
to
je pense
be
qu'il le change
pessimistic,
beaucoup moins qu'on ne pense.
but I
Voilà,
think
ça,
it changes
c'est
the world
une
less than
réalité,
we
mais
might
est-ce
like
que ça
to
veut dire
think.
qu'il faut pas le faire
Does
pour
that
autant?
mean we shouldn't make films?
Évidemment
No,
que
of course
quoi.
not.
Et il faut y croire. Il faut,
You have to
il faut
keep
y aller,
believing
et
in
je pense
it
que
and
ça
you
a
have to
été,
forge ahead.
le choix
I believe
et
that
la vie,
was the
l'engagement,
choice,
la
the
carrière
life, the engagement,
cinématographique
the
de
cinematographic
Costa, quoi, pendant toutes
career
ces années,
of Costa over
de
all these
penser
years.
qu'il faut
He
continuer à agir,
continued to believe that you had to act,
penser la société, à penser le monde, et qu'on a
think about society and the world, we have a very privileged position when doing so. So you have to be as honest and sincere as you can and forge ahead.
Certain journalisme aussi qu'on peut faire comme ça, quoi, avec cette
It's like journalism too.
La responsabilité, je crois que ça a
You
vraiment
bear
été
responsibility.
une caractéristique
That,
du
I think,
cinéma
is
Costa,
something
la
very
responsabilité.
characteristic in Costa's work, this sense of
Les scénarios sont
responsibility.
toujours travaillés.
The screenplays are always very carefully worked on. Things are very well documented. There's a lot of historical research into all the topics. He doesn't just say any old thing.
On amène des faits, on amène des choses qui sont
He
attestées.
shows facts that have been
Voilà,
proven.
ça, je pense que
And I
c'est
believe
précieux.
that is very valuable.
Oui, non, tu demandais sur la série, par exemple, le deuxième épisode est sur
The second episode is called The Origins. It's about Costa's first two
qui, a
films,
priori, sont pas politiques,
which are not political, basically.
Un polar et puis, une sorte de
A thriller
western
and a
sur
kind
fond
of
de
western
résistance, on pourrait
against
dire.
the background of
Ça
the
explose
resistance
beaucoup,
movement.
Il y a des explosifs.
There
et
are
il y
lots
a
of explosions.
des trucs en nature, quoi, comme ça. C'est un film d'action, un petit
It's
peu.
an action film.
Mais pourquoi je fais allusion à ça? C'est
Why
parce que
am I
pour moi, la
referring
force
to
du
this?
cinéma de
For me,
Costa, c'est
the
qu'il
strength of
n'est
Costa's
pas
cinema
venu
is
au
that
cinéma par
he
la
didn't
politique.
come to the cinema
Comme
through
il l'a dit,
politics,
lui,
as he
voilà,
said.
il a accompagné ces années-là, il avait des amis, des copains.
Had friends, he lived through those years, but he didn't come to the cinema through his political engagement. He didn't say, I'm going to make films to explain the thesis, the political thesis in which I believe. He first learned the mechanics, the technique of making films. That's why I say he's a storyteller. He, above all, wants to tell us stories. And what happens for me is what I call very sensitive politics. I may not say the same as Yannick. I don't think the cinema changes the world, nor do books, nor do articles in a newspaper. However, what's the purpose? What's the aim? Of course, there are people who win, there are people who lose, there are many sad things, but the world goes on. And hope will win, hope will always return and come back to us. Indeed.
Ce qu'il faut défendre, je crois, dans le cinéma,
what we have to defend in the cinema,
des films évidemment qui pèsent beaucoup plus que
obviously
d'autres.
there's some films that are weightier than others, but we have to defend the idea that the cinema must remain or perhaps be the art of emancipation. That's its purpose for me.
Tout ce qu'on peut dire d'un engagement, d'une réflexion.
Can sum up a form of engagement, a way of looking at the world, a desire to express one's views. The cinema can indeed be the art of emancipation. We offer this to people who go to see a film. It's a possibility to go out of their own life and experience something different in terms of the artistic dimension, the topics addressed. That's what I really like in the cinema. Of course, the fight is never won.
Est-ce que tu as dit le mot doigt ou j'ai mal entendu?
Did you say
le mot doigt,
the word, the cinema must? No, I don't think the cinema must do anything. Everyone should be free to do exactly what he or she wants. I've been very fortunate. I've done freely what I wanted to do. If the cinema isn't free, well, then it just won't work. Sorry about that. No, but that's not necessarily contradictory. I talked about the art of emancipation. It's not in the sense of things being a moral obligation. We have to fight for this art.
Dans l'épisode sans trop prolonger, dans l'épisode sur Z,
in the episode on Z,
y compris de ce que tu viens de dire, il y a
you can see what you have just said.
Le cinéma de
Costa's cinema.
Rendait hommage, et on peut tout à fait aussi aimer le cinéma de Godard.
You could also love Godard's cinema, of course, but I revisited things when I wrote the book.
Les polémiques.
There were lots of polemics, lots of debates, lots of criticism aimed at Costa's film because is designed to speak to everyone. Emancipation is for everybody. And obviously, there were professors in cinematographic ethics or morals. They said it's a commercial form of filmmaking. They were perhaps jealous of the success, and they criticized Costa for having been so good at making such films. And they were teachers who were trying to say, be very moralistic. Instead, there's a debate where you can see
comment dire, il y a des radicalités éphémères qui tiennent beaucoup moins que les radicalités tranquilles
who were real radicals, but some radical ideas don't last for very long.
La radicalité de Jean-Luc Godard, elle aura duré aussi longtemps que Jean-Luc Godard.
His radical stances have lasted through the decades.
Des formes aussi.
One can criticize certain forms of films.
La tension entre les deux manières de vouloir faire du cinéma pour
There are different ways of making films. There are different ways of depicting the way the world works, how it ticks. And one can be critical or supportive.
Peut-être c'est bien d'annoncer la composition
I
de la
think
série,
it's a good idea to talk about the actual composition of the series. You both referred to the first two episodes. We have this one. Well, the first season, you have Z first. Then you have the first two films, The Sleeping Car Murders and Shock Troops.
La troisième, vous venez de le voir.
The third is the one you've just seen. The fourth is
à la fois état de siège et
about
missing,
state of siege and missing, which takes place in Latin America and Chile. The third is Vichy, France, and Anneke.
Sur le passé qui ne passe pas, et l'écho entre le crime contre l'humanité commis en
crimes against humanity committed in Europe and how other peoples are incriminated.
C'est Music Box et Anneke.
It's Music Box, and Hannah Kay.
L'autre, le 6e épisode qui revient sur l'autre et qui ne passe pas avec Amen et section spéciale.
Amen and also special section.
On peut continuer comme ça.
Of course, we could continue for a long time talking about all this.
Ils sont pas encore tous faits.
But not all these episodes have been made yet.
Pour la première saison, puis après la deuxième saison.
We've got the first season, and we've talked about forthcoming episodes as well.
On a dit beaucoup de choses.
I think we've said a lot of things. We've certainly felt a lot of feelings, expressed many emotions. I would just like to mention a very important colleague in the series, Eric Neveu, the musician who's in the room. He might care just to stand up.
Qui accompagne la série depuis le début.
On a un sacré matériau qui nous permet de faire quelque chose.
Some wonderful material.
Nous, on n'a rien fait.
And we haven't really done much ourselves. We have all this wonderful material to work with. Thank you very much.